Hello, boys and girls. Today's story is called, What Will I Do If I Can't Tie My Shoe? What Will I Do If I Can't Tie My Shoe? By Heidi Kilgras, illustrated by Regan. My lace has come loose. My shoe is untied. I can't tie my lace. I've tried and I've tried. Buckles are easy. Zippers are too. I can button my buttons, but I can't tie my shoe. I can slip on my slippers faster than fast. My sneakers with Velcro go on in a flash. But here I am, stuck with my shoelace untied. I can't run, I can't jump, and I can't go outside. If my lace is undone, I can't play. It's no fun. Hey, big brother, will you show me how it's done? First, cross both ends, slip one over, under, and through. Now pull them tight. Then here's what you do. Next, make a bunny ear, and then make another. Wrap one around, pull it through. You try, little brother. I try and I try. I think I can do it. Look, it's a bow. There was nothing to it. I did it. I did it. I tied my own shoe. Add this to the list of the things I can do. Now I'm practically flying. I can race, twirl, and skip. With my shoelaces tied, I probably won't trip. Oops. The end. Well, boys and girls, did you like the story today? Do you think you can try and tie your shoe now? Sometimes it takes a lot of practice, but I'm sure you can do it. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.